Welcome to this tutorial on the Betterment iOS app, a powerful tool for managing your investments and achieving your financial goals. To get started, download and install the Betterment app from the App Store and create an account if you haven't already. First, navigate to the dashboard, which provides an overview of your account balance, investment performance, and upcoming transfers. From here, you can access various features and settings to customize your experience. Next, explore the Accounts section, where you can view and manage your different investment accounts, such as your retirement or taxable accounts. You can also add new accounts or link existing ones to the app. Now, let's discuss setting financial goals. The Betterment app allows you to create and track specific objectives, such as saving for a down payment on a house or a big purchase. To do this, go to the Goals section, select the type of goal you want to create, and provide the necessary details, including the target amount and timeline. Another key feature of the app is portfolio management. Betterment offers a range of pre-built portfolios, each with a different asset allocation and risk level. You can choose the one that best aligns with your investment strategy and risk tolerance. To deposit funds into your account, go to the Transfer section and follow the prompts to link your bank account and initiate a transfer. You can also set up automatic deposits to make investing easier and less prone to being neglected. In addition to these features, the Betterment app provides educational resources and tools to help you make informed investment decisions. You can access articles, videos, and other materials to learn more about investing and personal finance. Finally, take advantage of the app's security features, including two-factor authentication and encryption, to protect your account and personal data. By following these steps and using the Betterment iOS app effectively, you can take control of your investments and work towards achieving your long-term financial goals.